Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. It's 2021 Can-Am SPYDER F3 Limited SE6 with 19,450 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with passenger armrests, pedal commander throttle module, highway pegs, front bumper, luggage rack, and we've replaced the rear tire. The SPYDER is a dynamic vehicle that gives riders the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels and stands out from anything else on the road with its unique design. Powered by a 1330cc 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 988 pounds and has a 26.6-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.